7 months ago, I published my first paywall article. It was a book summary, and I made only 32 cents. Since then, 1. I wrote 183 posts. 2. I made $500. 3. I met so many kind, cool, and sweet people. It all happened because I practiced my writing. So, here's one reason why writing is the best skill to make money in 2025. In the digital era, it's all about unleveraged versus leveraged. And writing is one form of leverage. Because you can write once and monetize twice. 1. Old articles are grinding while you sleep. 2. Your ebook is sold while you're on vacation. 3. Your writing course is sold while you have family time. Sadly, not everyone can code. It requires so much math background. But we're all born to be content creators. 1. A phone call with your friend, that's content. 2. Sharing your picture on Instagram, that's content. 3. Talking with your partner, that's content. But, instead of creating content to help 5.3 billion people on the internet, we just hide our value in the mind. If you don't want to hide your value anymore, here are 3 steps to start writing online. Step 1. Forget about your niche. Forget about money. Forget about followers. First of all, you need to develop a habit to make writing online frictionless. How? Write. Just write. Write whatever the hell you want to write. Nothing is simpler than that. All you need to do is just write whatever you're feeling. 1. If you enjoy your ice cream, write about it. 2. If you're happy with your last vacation, write about it. 3. If you're pissed at your coworker, write about it. 3. Trust me, once you start, no one will find out. Just write whatever you want until you love writing. You can write consistently. Your mind tells you you're a writer. Step 2. Craft your niche. Write for the crowd, and you'll get drained out. Write for yourself, and you'll be unstoppable. If your goal is to make money, you need to write about topics that solve the big 3 problems. 1. Wealth. 2. Health. 3. Relationships. Every person has their problems, and problems can be profitable. 1. If you have weight issues, solve your problems and write. 2. If you're always in bad relationships, solve your problems and write. 3. If you're broke, solve your problems and write. But the internet is full of trash like 7 ways to make $100,000 online. We don't want that. We need a unique solution from you. So, 1. Pick your life problems from the big 3. 2. Solve them with your unique solution. 3. Share how to solve them by writing. If you solve your problems and write to share them, no one can stop you from making money by writing. Step 3. Get better every day. I hate the advice, consistency is key. If it were true, police officers who write daily logs would be the next Stephen King. Consistency is not a key to success, it is just a bare minimum. Which we already solve the consistency problems if we do step number 1 in the right way. In writing, if we break down the creative process, it ends up like this. 1. Idea generation and validation. 2. Craft headlines, intros, and how to deliver the message. 3. Write. 4. Edit. 5. Evaluate. I'd say break down the process. It makes it way easier to check, fix, and improve. Our task as writers is to get better every day.